I'm gonna roll my shoulders back, nice loose stance here. You can give yourself a slight pelvic tilt if you like, and always bend the knees, okay? So here we go. So one hand goes in front of the other. I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna breathe in and let my hands go upward, okay? Breathe in. Then exhale. And breathe in. And exhale. This is kind of good for getting something off your chest, okay? Breathing in and out. You can breathe in through your nose if you like. And out through your mouth. Well, however you like. Bend the knees. Look up a little bit as you do it. You can look down a little bit as you come down. Follow the hands a little bit. Like energy flows where the mind goes.